Hello everybody, welcome to this game I got, and there's a VHS on my screen. Should we press it? Here we go. By the way, my name is Snake, so subscribe. Today we're all playing a game that is super spooky. I know you can guess what this game is. Now, this is not the name of the game. What is this right here? No players online. No one's online. The game is called No Players Online. Press Enter. And, yeah. Oh, this may take us a very long time because of the game. Ugh. Oh, it's a first-person shooter game. Oh, okay. R is to reload if there's anything near us. So it's a scary shooter game. So is any person with guns gonna get us, right? Hopefully that's not the problem. Because people with guns gonna get us. It's kind of spoopy. Oh, what is this? Am I back in the beginning? It's exactly the same as the beginning. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I don't think this is our place. What's this? Ah, I have the flag. Oh, so I have to put this. It's a flag game. Yo. Yo. What? Yo. That sounds creepy. No. Okay, that's even more creepy. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh God, what's going on? Now what is going on? Now what? Scary music comes to scare me. So spoopy. So scary. Oh my God, I fell. Spoopy music. So scary. So scary. Oh, I like that noise. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. So when someone comes near me, it's a pow, 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 pow. I will make a part 2 if people like and enjoy this game. But right now I'm just making a video. Oh, what's that? Anyone doing something creepy in there? I have a gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Yeah. So that's it. I'm supposed to just get a flag. The soundtrack is very worrying and oh! It's opening. Oh, that's pretty scary. It's pretty scary. Oh! Oh my God! There's a glitch. There was a shadow. I'm gonna look behind me right now. I'm so scared. So scared right now. I feel like I'm being watched right now. This game is so scary. Okay, I'm supposed to be doing the same thing, not hard. Wait, no. I'm trying to reload. Get away. No. Oh, wait, what is that? It's some kind of glitchy shadow. I don't think I wanna go anywhere else. I wanna stay the same place where I am right now. Anyone here? Yo, I'm about to get the flag. I bet this guy does not want to lose his game. I bet he's trying to chase me because he doesn't want to lose. He doesn't know how to play Mr. BOS or Miss BOS. Wait, what are you talking about? Yo, I just reloaded this gun like a second ago. Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! No! Whoa! Stop what you're doing. Do not move another step. Whatever you do not deliver the flag, huh? Why? How did you even get access to the game? I bought a VHS out of it in GameStop. Can you hear me? Press Y in the chat, okay. I can't. It's not working. It's not working. Wait, never mind. I don't think you have you don't have chat permission on this. Just shoot twice if you can read this. I did it. I can read you, bro. Okay, so you can read this. So let me explain. I already saw a lot of explaining there. If you deliver the last flag, the servers will shut down. I absolutely cannot let that happen. Okay, you don't want to win the game. You just want to win the game. I've been working on this project for more than 11 years. I can't let you destroy all my work. This may look like a simple FPS game to you, but this game has power to raise the... What? No. It's kind of about a bunch of... Oh, it's still work in progress. What kind of chaos is going on? There's a bunch of chaos going on in this game, but it seems to be stuck in some sort of game. You probably already met her. Who her? Can you blame her? You destroyed her. The favorite with the favorite. So what if I destroy it? If you deliver the last flag, her soul will be set free. Don't you want that? I know I can save her and bring her back. Please press escape and leave the game. Please? Nope. I'm not gonna do anything, boy. I want to deliver the last flag. He just doesn't want me to win. He likes to be winner. Do not deliver the flag. So what if I deliver the flag, huh? Nope, you ain't the boss of me, boy. Nope. What do you say? What do you say to me? Stop it. Please don't you want your girlfriend, her soul to be free? Yo! Oh, come on. Oh, but before playing this game, I saw a comment that said there is a code. Up, down, this, B-A. There we go. And I saw a code thanks to the person right there. I would probably have them I would say thank you so much for giving me that code. Okay, let's see what we can do in the server. Oh god. 1, 2. I only have 7 more minutes to stop recording this video. By the way, yeah. I'm not gonna be recording for long because, I have a lot of important stuff to do, like homework. All of you know what homework is, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go in here. So now I know what I'm doing. They restarted me, but some people say that there's a true ending that you gotta get the flag or then come back in and then do the thing. Oh, and I gotta destroy the record player. I don't think I have to deliver the 3rd flag. Oh, that was first try. It sounds very creepy though. I just really don't like that. I just really do not like the noise of there. Oh my god, I saw that thing right there. I saw it right there. I saw it. I'm not even gonna turn behind me. It delivers all the flags. And no one's going to stop me. I'm gonna try to speedrun this. I have 5 more minutes to stop recording the video. And no one's gonna stop me. Oh, no one's gonna stop me. Oh god, wrong way. No one's stopping me. Oh yeah. Oh, the red creepy thing. What's going on there? Nothing. Because that's all they're gonna see. Nothing. Thank you for trying to creep me out, game, but yeah, that actually is kind of creepy. I don't know what that was for. Challenger has joined the game. That does not look like Challenger name. It looks like a game of blah, blah, blah. That's just the name of the guy. This sounds so... Oh, yeah, that's right there. That's there. Oh, God, this is kind of making me pretty scared. The music is very worrying. Oh, I gotta go close to the shadow. How do I lose ammo like 1 second I have it? Yeah, okay, cool. They're afraid of the player. That's why they don't get him. Yo ho ho! Oh, this game looks kind of spooky. I like VHS horror games were always scary to me, like the ones that are like this, and they're like under like 32-bit. Those games like that are pretty scary to me. But when it's like 3D and I don't think they're scary. They're just normal horror games. Oh, that's one of them. They're just kind of normal horror games. Nothing wrong with them. Oh wait, hold up. Am I just seeing things, or was there something there before? I swear there's something there before. I'm sorry, my game is glitchy. It's just behind me. Okay, go on, get me. I want to hear a word from Johnny. I've been recording for 12 minutes. Stop what you are doing. Oh my. Whatever you do not deliver the flag. Again, someone said that. I'm playing No Players Online. Okay. Put Y in the chat, but I can't do it. I gotta wait for his conversation to finish. This is really boring. Oh, you think? Well, why don't I have permission if I'm the player? Players always have permission to do everything, boy. Okay, so yes, I can read this. Don't think I can't. Yes, I'm playing this on computer. The servers will shut down. And what about it? By the way, okay. This is... Okay, this may look like a simple FPS game to you, okay. Okay, blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. I know everyone could read that. I'm not sure if you can hear my computer audio, but I'm pretty sure you... I'm not sure if you can see this guy's writing. But yeah, I'm sure you can read it. Why do you... She's scared and confused. She's so scared. She's scared. I'm sure. So will be set free. Isn't that what you want? Yes, I'm making a part 2 of this video game. Please. So, oh, I also saw a thing of a video, and I also saw a chat saying that you have to leave. Press this. Oh god. What did I press? Kicked from the server. I'm not sure if we have enough time to play, so bye. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you have a nice day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. That's it. Bye. That's all I'm gonna say for today. Goodbye. See you.